You said what?
Did you get chopped up?
I did, but I stopped myself before it was, you know, vitally crucial. But I would be aggressive on the TikTok account, and yeah,
Wait, is the take profit gone?
sure, yes,
John!
I am trying to be aggressive. It was working, but,
No.
but I can't be aggressive because stuff like that happens.
Oh gosh.
I was gonna get in gold, and I didn't. I
Mm.
was gonna right here. Okay, okay, that's crazy.
Uh, wow. John, are you on the charts now?
Yeah, I'm on the first.
Cause if you look at the Nikkei, right? So you
Yeah.
see that where it spiked up. No, that I look at the 3 minute candles. Um, you see that spike up.
Let
Um,
me go to the meeting because I'm not doing it.
oh, okay. It was at
Okay.
6:06 on 3 minute candles.
It says
Hey.
you said 606.
Yup.
606. So that's about 7. I do that. Wait, hold up.
Oh.
That's me. That's me. I'm zoomed in. On what time frame? You said 3 minutes.
3 minute time frame. It was right after Tokyo opened.
I see a spike up. It went
It's
up
just like a
pretty.
yeah. So I entered at the very top of that spike. And guess what I did, John?
It,
I exited too. So because I
it,
I I meant to like put a stop loss, but I was on my stupid phone, and then I accidentally entered myself into another cell, and then I was like, dang it! So I exited, and then I look at this, and I'm like, oh, that's so sad. Because that's exactly it went down exactly where I wanted it to, because it's trading in that range. So
wow.
it's fine. It's whatever.
Yeah, that's how I go about it. Whatever.
um,
It's not. But
have you looked at gold at all, John?
yeah, well, I was about to give you a thing. Not gonna lie.
Hmm. Do you, so do you want to not do a full teams call tonight then?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We,
Okay.
we can still talk, but
Cool.
there's nothing analyze. I don't think tonight's the night for me, sadly. Unless I could do some recovery work, but I don't know.
Yeah. Wait, how much recovery are we talking?
It's not. It's like okay. So I'm not gonna lie. I did go on my minis,
Mhm.
but for a second, then I went back.
Oh,
But
John, you went to the minis.
yes, for recovery purposes, and it worked. And then
Oh,
like the micros, we're
John.
good. Gonna make it. I'm looking at the Nikkei right now, and it's down at big 11. Looks like
A good
I don't
level
know.
to bounce.
You know what?
A good level to bounce.
Definitely a good level to bounce.
One second, I gotta set up my camera because
Yeah.
you knocked it down in the middle of my live stream. But
Okay, I thought you were lying.
wow.
I thought you were lying.
Oh, I am.
Oh, how did that fish?
John, you're on speaker. You're still part of the live stream.
Oh, no, no, I'm fine with that. I don't.
Oh. Ba-bum. See.
Oh,
Hello.
did you figure out what you're gonna call it?
My live stream.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, I just titled it like trading live like gold, but I don't have like a I'm not calling it Apex TV.
Okay, but like that would be
Hmm.
like really good and
But John, I
cool.
don't even trade Apex.
I do though. So
But you gotta start your own channel, John.
eh, let's do
And
launch.
they'll probably sue you, John.
You can't sue me for anything.
John, it's Apex. They get a little salty about stuff.
Here's the thing though. Here's the thing, right? I can use Apex as a name for my channel. They'll they don't know if I because I'm using um like the Apex account or whatever.
Mhm.
It's just, I just like the name Apex.
Hmm. Okay, okay.
Yeah, because no one owns the name Apex. You know,
Yeah.
there's other channels like Apex Legends is a video game, right? They
Mhm.
don't have, you know,
True, true, true. Yes, they can't own the word Apex.
a good level for me to bounce off of. And then I do see the upside potential, like just based off of where we're at. But
So, yeah, I see it too, especially because of I'm also so this is when I employ our MACD divergence because as we've come down to this level again, we lost momentum.
yeah,
Um, so
which
this
is a
would yeah, this would be
good.
an excellent spot to jump in. I
Hmm,
actually might on my 50K account because
well, why
John,
not? What?
what are you doing?
Don't know.
What you doing, John?
I'm not doing anything.
You're going max contracts, aren't you, John?
There's no reason that we go max contracts ever.
Uh,
But I'll go like one. Wait. So how many ticks or how many um like one contract? How much is that?
that's
It's like
$25.
$25. That's
And you have to use limit orders because you will get terrible fills if you try to do a market order.
wow.
Like it will be horrendous.
Okay. Well, that,
Yeah, oof, that's looking like a tasty buy.
that's what I'm saying. It's like the way we rejected off that so like aggressively. I wish I would have gotten in that thing, but I don't. I don't know. I don't even know where I would get out if I got in the big day. To be honest, it looks like there's a couple of places you could get out.
Yeah, I mean, if we respect the range, we should trade all the way back up to the top, or at least I would go
Oh,
halfway. And that's
but like my thing is, if we don't, like if we're gonna sell, like aggressively do it because
mhm,
if you odds right, like you can see there's like it's equal lows, and
right.
you target the equal lows. Well, that's how it is on the Nikkei at least. Like if this pulls back and it goes back up, because of these two equal lows, there's probably more stop losses down here than there are anywhere else. Even with these like points right here on the going up,
Hmm.
buy side direction, there's more stop losses down here than there would be there.
Yeah,
Just based off of this is, I mean, I don't know how far back we're going, but just based off the equal high or equal lows. But then this the high also got swept as well. But that moved from like 6 a.m. or what time was it? 6 p.m. or 4 p.m. I don't know what time it is for you.
yeah,
But
yeah, around 6.
yeah, so that took out the previous high of like
Oh
Friday.
yeah, I see it. It
Yeah. So I don't know. See,
it
there it is.
see.
Oh,
There we go.
yep.
So yeah, this is so if it doesn't bounce here, it could come all the way down to that. There's like a lower. What is this Thursday? So a Thursday's low.
39,385 ish.
Yeah, 39, yeah, 39,385. That's exactly where I am. So it might target that one because it did see how it bounced so aggressively off that level. We
Yeah.
could be coming
Ooh,
all the way down here.
that is crazy. I kind of want to see what NQ doing because NQ in this, I've seen. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. NQ was
Oh, the NQ is selling as well. Oh, get a hop back in, John.
I don't want to get got
My Delta volume's at 0%.
for what
For on the NQ, it's just
NQ. What the hell? What?
it's
Yeah, I
all
don't know.
zeros. It just flipped over. Oh, am I on the right? No, I'm on the right thing.
Yeah, you're right because you're doing a 3 minute.
Yeah, so mine's slower than yours.
And the contract thing should be NQ 25, right?
Oh,
Because I think it was NQZ 25.
yeah, it was Z. Now it should be I think you're
What?
right.
It's not Z25. It's not updating.
It should. The new contract would be the March contract. So H is the new contract.
Oh, it messing me up.
I just want to check something.
I mean, I'm clicking it and it's doing NQ exclamation mark, and I don't like that.
Yeah, that's
And
the continuous contract.
there we go. Okay, we're back.
See,
Okay.
that's the that's the thing that I had an issue with Top Step because on Top Step it's showing the March contract, but it's trading when you look at the how it's trading, it's still trading the old
Other,
the old
yeah.
contract. So like if you were to enter, like yeah, that's what tripped me up the last time is like I was entering based off of what I was seeing on the new contract, but their charts hadn't switched over yet, so kind of a
Mm,
tricky thing to trade when it's rolling over.
yeah. I've been trying to do this Fibonacci retracement thing,
Ooh,
um, but
on
I don't
on what?
know if I'm making a mistake or an error, or it's just like the market the way it's chopping or it's been chopping. Because I don't know. It's probably because we're not in a strong trend, and I'm
Yeah,
trying to do it as if we're in a trend. And like the buy trend that we were in, it wasn't even like good because there was no actual lows or highs being formed. It was just going straight up. Like we weren't pulling really. I mean, I guess we were. It wasn't. It just looks weird to me. Like it doesn't look like we really pulled back at all. We just kind of just pumped up and then we sold sideways.
and now
Still,
we're kind of selling down, but we haven't created any new, no
yeah.
highs, no lows, nothing. Just
So we're still trading in this zone. So until something different happens, I think I'm
just
gonna have
gonna
to wait.
just gonna wait. Yeah, I have because when I saw that spike, I was like, maybe it's gonna see. I don't think I can trade this even because Top Step probably is not gonna let me. But anyways, um, yeah, I just want to see it tip this kind of tip over a little bit and then start this downtrend because I can see it happening. Oh yeah, so now my delta volume is saying that we're just selling, which is nice.
For NQ,
Yeah, for the NQ, we're just gonna sell.
I'm confused because I wanted to sell. I really did, but like the whole time, my mindset was sell the whole time, right?
Duh.
And I had this overbought line up here, right? And I didn't trust it. I just didn't. I don't know why. I just didn't trust it. And
Oh,
it's. I don't know. And then we even did a double top, but it looked to me like it was again equal highs, right? So I was expecting us to come target it again, and we didn't. So I'm really confused. But I don't know.
hmm.
I do not know. But again, if we're looking at the like Fibonacci retracement, right?
Yeah.
Back to the golden zone. rejected off of it, and it kept pushing. And then look at like trend-based uh, Fibonacci. It shows that we should be able to come down to at least 22,352 before we pull back. So if we can't get down there, then I feel like we're just gonna continue to chop.
Yeah.
But it is good to start seeing some kind of movement in some direction, I guess.
Yeah. Are you gonna try to trade again, or
I don't know. I just don't know. I think I would have to see something that would give me some kind of confirmation to get in or something.
yeah, it's valid.
That's because right now it seems like the support and resistance traders will do perfect with this market because we're just going up to like a support level, and then coming down, back and forth.
Yeah, I see it too. I mean, it's still opportunity to trade, just not. I don't know. If you wanna,
I don't know. It even feels like there were gaps, but it's starting to seem like the market's kind of looking a little bit more normal. Just for these like after I think 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Yeah, like 12 o'clock. For your time, we're almost 12 o'clock. That's
so 12 o'clock your time would be 1 o'clock my time.
Yeah. Okay, I don't 11:20ish. It started to kind of clean out. The market started to clean out, and it actually is not jumping, so that's a little bit better.
Yeah.
But still not giving me anything.
Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. I'm looking at gold, and there was a nice Fibonacci retracement.
Yup, this is how wasn't it?
Yep, it was a sell, and it was around 9:30, and I think, yeah, I was sleeping.
I'm kidding me. I think I did one just recently. Like, let me see.
Oh, a gold trade?
Oh my gosh.
Good.
I don't know why I didn't enter.
John, why did you enter?
But I put the Fibonacci retracement thing in and went to 2671 and
26771, you say?
yeah, 2671. That's what it pulled back to, and then we pumped all the way down to 2664.
Yeah, no, gold, I've seen it works beautifully with the fib retracements, and yeah, I don't know. It just works so nicely.
Yeah, and these pullbacks, it's pulling back to good zone.
Right. And it's always nice because if you enter, right, and then it keeps going past your zone, you know, okay, it's like it's nice. You can set your stop losses super tight, and just kind of see if it respects it. If it doesn't, then you know immediately.
Exactly, and that's what I was trying to do with MQ, but MQ doesn't like to.
NQ doesn't like to play by the rules.
It does whatever it wants. And I had to learn that the hard way.
Yeah.
Is this? Why does it not seem right? It's Fibonacci extension.
See, how do you use the extension? Because
The extension is super simple. So you go to the highest. So okay, so if you're looking at a trend right, and you want like measure out, you do the highest high and then the lowest low before there was a strong pullback, which I did 2676, and then I did the low, which was 2665. That was before we had like a really strong pullback. And there, so you put one click on 2675, one click on 2665, and then one click on 2671, and then just down or
Oh,
drag it out.
drag it out.
So,
Okay.
yeah, drag it out to the right, and it should show um, like the market. So that's how far down it wants to pull. Because so when the market gets exhausted, right,
Mhm.
it's usually at the one level.
Oh.
Um, so it'll that's usually when everybody starts selling. But just like the 50% level and the 61% level,
Mhm.
those are usually where we pull back to.
Oh, so right now.
And you know where to put your take profit because
Ah.
that's usually what people sell. Like sometimes you'll go to 1.618, but that's a really, really strong trend.
Mhm.
But in like a regular trend, regular downtrend, you would just want to see uh, put your take profit report,
Hmm.
and then your stop loss would be super tight because it would be above the golden zone, which is that 50 to 61%.
Mhm.
And yeah, but you would definitely be not risking nearly as much as you'd be making.
Yeah. See, that was the issue I had yesterday, which I entered a long position, which it did not go, but it did go. So I was up about $1,000 off of that, like two contracts.
Yeah,
And then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna set my stops to break even, and
and
then
then
I wanted it to go right, and so it was up. I was up over $1,000, like 53 ticks or something, and then it hit a top, and I was like, should I take profit here? Because it was at the top of like the of Fibonacci, right? And so I'm like, okay,
yeah,
we're equal, and so I'm like, okay, should I take profit? And I was like, nah. And then I came back and I was like, yeah, I got stopped out. So I was kind of like kicking myself, like, why didn't you take profit? You know?
so did it? So was it a strong trend though?
So
Because
yeah, so that's the other thing. It wasn't it. Yes, but also not
it
really.
was. It, so that's why I use the delta volume thing because
Mm-hmm.
that'll because if we're 35 to 50 range, that's a strong trend. Like especially on the higher time frame. Like on the 1 minute, that doesn't really matter because it flip flops. But
Mm-hmm.
like on the higher time frame, so if you zoom out to like the 5, the 10, 15, and it shows like we're in a strong trend in those areas, then that's gonna confirm it, and then it'll be like, oh, okay, then I can probably hold it because we're still in a strong trend. We're gonna probably continue. I can put my stuff straight even. But if we're at like 14, 15, under 30 for the delta volume, then I would take it at the top of the regular Fibonacci, not the extension.
Mm-hmm.
But for this specifically, what we're doing right now, this looks like a pretty. We're at 30 for the delta volume, so we're still in a strong trend, but it looks like we're weakening as we come down here.
Oh, are you looking at the gold? You're on the 1 minute, right?
1 minute again, so it
Oh,
looks like even though we're selling it, oh, okay. Actually, no, we're actually gaining strength because the delta volume is saying we're 25%. So we want to go negative if we're selling.
yeah.
That way,
Mine says that we're at negative 46, but I'm on the 3 minute, so
yeah.
I don't know if it's giving me false information.
No, it's not. It's not. It's so on the different time frames, it's going to be different delta volumes because it's based off the buyers and the sellers, and there's different amounts of buyers and sellers depending on which time frame, you know,
Uh,
because
John,
some people trade 3 minutes, some people trade, you know. And
yeah.
okay, so we're
Uh,
looking for us to come down to this 260 zone.
John, I think it already hit the Fib because I threw a Fibonacci on there, and boom, it went right up to it, and then that's that huge candle down. So I love how it respects the Fibonacci. Well, it appears to. This.
It appears to, and on this, it retraced back to it was a so it looks like we tested the 0.5618 zone. We pulled back to the 0.382, pushed off of that, and then we're pushing out. Hopefully down to 2660. Really wish I would have been in this one, but you know,
It's all good.
all good, all good.
No, it isn't. I'm just kidding.
Very disappointing, but
uh,
yeah, but we think down with this, we're definitely going to continue to push.
so it looks like the Nikkei might have hit. I don't know. It didn't come all the way down. It's trying to come back up. I don't like that.
It'll probably be more than likely. If MQ is selling hard, for some reason, even though those two shouldn't be correlating at all, for some reason they do the same thing.
Can you hear Zazio chewing on a bone?
I don't.
Okay, good. Yeah. Yes, yeah, so for the Nikkei, I only like to take what I call like obvious trades where it's like, okay, it's obviously gonna do one thing or the other
Yeah.
versus trying to get in and hope it does the right thing. Cause
Yeah, and then it's like halfway. That's what I've also learned is like just take the things that are basically obvious. It's like it's either gonna do this or it's either. It's not like, oh, we might if we it's okay, this is gonna happen or this is gonna happen. It's
right,
gonna be
one way or the other.
not 20 different little short ways.
Right. And that's why I like that's kind of why I like support and resistance just because or like supply and demand because it's like, okay, we got to this level. Either we're gonna bounce off of it or we're not. It's pretty easy. So it kind of takes out some of the guesswork, and then you get less emotional if you're wrong. Like you know how like when you thought it's gonna do one thing and then you're wrong, and then you're like, yeah, why?
Yeah.
It's more like, oh, okay, it was wrong. Oh well, and you try again.
Yeah. It looks like we're holding up here, but there is a overbought signal on the RSI, or oversold signal on the RSI indicator. But I think we push through here and then still get down to that one level on the Fibonacci
Mm.
and come back up, buy back up. But who knows? Maybe I'm wrong.
I don't know. It's so crazy. Like when you switch into different markets,
Yeah.
how they just trade so differently, and
I think it's the people in it though. Like honestly, I feel like people in MQ are literally just throwing money
they're
at
just trading erratically.
you. Just get in and get like it's either you get in and get out or you're stuck in the trade because you want it to go back your way. And it's just like I feel like there's less people that trade gold and the people that do trade gold are um, a lot calmer. I don't know. Because you can see from the different ways that the markets trade. Like BK, barely anybody trades that.
Mm-hmm.
Gold is like there's a even balance. I can see there's some kind of balance in this market.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's like on the 1 minute, I see it's pretty equal. It's like 1,200 ish, 1,300 ish, and there just happens to be more sellers right now, so there's more selling.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah.
And, yeah, and Q, it's like, yeah, you never know.
You never know. It could just randomly spike somewhere, and you're like, what?
Then it, yeah, skips over
If
you.
your stop loss.
And, yeah,
That's happened to you a couple times, John.
a couple times.
Uh,
For some reason, I still trade it.
why?
I don't know. Honestly, if I think about it, it's because it makes you the most money the fastest. But it also loses you the most money the fastest.
Very right about that.
You know?
I want to trade the NQ. I don't know. Like that's why I trade the micros because I'm not as attached to what's happening because it's like okay, I if it doesn't go my way, I lose $50. If it does, I gain $50. It's not the end of the world.
See, for me though, trading the micros with MQ, it's like it's so annoying because it moves so fast. It feels like you could have made so much
Yeah.
more.
You're like, why didn't I get in the minis?
And yet in the regular ones, I could have been up $1,000 when you're right. But
Mm-hmm.
then like when you're wrong and you're using the minis,
It,
then it's just, yeah, then it's not good. So
yeah,
I don't know.
how do you know when to switch between the micros and
So
the mini?
it's definitely a psychological thing, right? So
Mm-hmm.
you know how I get to the point where I almost feel like I'm fighting the market.
Mm-hmm.
When I get to that point, then I kind of pull back. Well, at least now, and I pull back, and I'm like, okay, so am I actually fighting the market here, or am I right? Like I kind of I have to look back at why I got it, what I'm doing, and
Mm-hmm.
then if I see that what I was thinking at first was the correct thing, like a second time, then I'm like, okay, let's get in. Let's just make sure everything's closed or a lot tighter, and then I just get in. I'm just confident because it's like if my first analysis was correct, but it just took out my stop loss
Mm-hmm.
and then pulls back up, then then I'll hop right back in with more size because I was correct. It just pulled. But then if it comes back and hits it again, then I'm out. And it's,
Yeah.
you know, because then at that point I'm rolling twice. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing I notice like going in like how do you know when to go in more size? And like for me, I'll usually start with more size, but then if I lose or if it doesn't go my way, I don't know, it makes me more conservative and so I'll go in with less size. And then the only reason why I'll go in with more size if I lost is if I start getting on that revenge trading track and I'm like, I gotta make it back. So
So the thing, I feel like it's better. Wait, so you said you start off with a size?
so yeah, no, I start off with like more contracts, and then if I lose, that's when I start decreasing my contract size.
Well, for me at least, it's I want to start off with size because I want to be confident, right? So I'm confident on getting in with the size I would, get in with. Well, that's how it used to be. I would just get in with the size, be confident. I would win. If I lost, uh, wait, no. So no. So reverse. It was I started off not being confident because you're just jumping into a market so you don't really know what's happening.
Mm.
And once you kind of get a grasp, because NQ, I feel like you almost have to jump in, and it's like you're starting off with, I don't know, like when you're playing basketball and you're cold, right? And I don't know, you have to warm up before you can start trading good on NQ. And so I start off small, and then the more I trade it and either lose or win, the more I get comfortable with it,
Mm.
and then I realize them.
See, that maybe that's what I need to start doing, cause yeah, so when you're just getting into the market, you don't really know which way it's gonna go. I think it's
Right.
more maybe it's when I do that, it's more FOMO. It's like if I don't get in full, like not full contract size, but if I don't get in with with more size and it does do what I want, I'm gonna be like, why didn't I get in more? And then I'll be tempted to trade more. So I don't know. Maybe I need to rethink my mindset on that.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But these level are getting inspected a little too well.
A little too on
No.
hold.
So we pulled back to the 0 point. I mean, it wasn't really a pullback, but it's gone and hit like the 0.382, 0.5, pull back to 0.618 now, and then and I'm pretty sure we're gonna push out of it because we did a double bottom,
Hmm.
but it's at equal lows, so we're probably gonna, like I said before, usually when we have equal lows or equal highs, we just want to tend to come back to it because there's stop losses and a lot of a lot of people that want the market to go the opposite direction. So
Yeah. See, I don't know. My thing is that um I always get nervous, when we've already moved, a certain direction. I get nervous. I'm like, okay, how long? How long is this gonna keep? Because we're kind of hitting. If you kind of zoom out a little bit, we've hit this level around Friday and Sunday. Um,
but wait for both.
Oh yeah, for gold. So we're kind of at this bottom, so it's like, what are we gonna do here?
Hmm. Oh, at this. Okay, so I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'd be super hesitant to try to get in a sell here just because like if you like I like to trade as close to the 200 um moving average line as possible,
Yeah.
and once we break away from that, because it kind of acts like, like almost like VWAP, or like this, like an equilibrium, like a magnet. Price wants to come back to it, but it doesn't stay there for super long. It likes to break away. And so because we're so far away from it, we're down at this bottom.
Yeah.
I'd want to see us pull back up.
Yeah. So what I'm expecting to happen is we're gonna pull down to 2661 or around that 2660 whatever, and then we're gonna sweep back up and then take and then come back up, and that would make sense because uh that's where the I mean that's basically where the lowest low is 2660 ish,
So
but.
you're thinking 2660. All right, I'm gonna throw a line on there and we'll see what happens. All right.
Or not two, no, not 2260. My bad. 2661 to 2660 around that area. Uh,
2661.
yeah, my bad.
All right.
That's me.
I'll put it at one.
You see,
Okay. So maybe looking for a bounce around there.
yeah, or roughly around there. But that's if we can get through this, which I feel like we should be able to. Let's just lift up around.
Yeah, she's yeah.
If you see like the how well does it respect the overbought over sold?
See, I haven't thrown that on the chart, so I don't even know.
Uh,
Cause that's the thing with gold, is like it can, like, it's been selling since when? Since way back. Okay, since last Thursday.
I mean, it's respecting the overbought, oversold pretty well.
It is?
Uh,
Oh, is that on the 1 minute?
I'm one minute, yeah, yeah. I know I shouldn't, but I did.
You always do, John.
Let's get back in 1 minute.
Did the London session start? The London session hasn't even
So
started.
it's at the 12, right?
Yeah, sure. It should start like literally in 2 minutes.
2 minutes. It should be the, oh yeah. I was gonna say there should be like more people that pop into my, but let's see.
Yeah, that's why maybe I should. Well, I don't. Yeah. So yesterday I just went until like the London session, and then I was in for maybe, I don't know, maybe an hour into it, and then I hopped off because there was nothing going on. But let's see what the that session brings. It should bring in more people. You're right. Oh look, DK just said, "Nah, I'm going all the way."
We might have some sell, people hop in 3 seconds. Maybe.
Yeah, is that a thing that happens? Like people hop in and like it immediately they're
And
just like
spikes,
sell.
it definitely spikes the market because for some reason, I don't like. It's like when the market opens, usually like in the morning or in the after, whatever. As soon as people start hopping in around specific times, there's like a spike. And
Mhm,
it's like, which is annoying because it's like, what if I want to get in like right here and then you have a spike and then it comes the other direction?
mhm.
I don't like it.
See,
No,
this is telling me that we want to buy. Why? I think we might come down one more time though.
I feel like we can.
Or
We gotta.
are you looking at
Uh,
the Nikkei?
I feel like we gotta sweep those that level.
Yeah,
We have.
Nikkei
Oh,
doesn't really like to sweep lows. I found.
wait, actually, it
Yeah,
doesn't do it like the bull does. I
I
mean,
mean
yeah.
it can go lower, but sometimes it will just hit a level, bounce right off. Like it doesn't. I don't think it's like the NQ where it's like, hunt stop loss hunts and all of that. It
Insane to me.
it's pretty it's kind of a calm market, but maybe that was the bounce because I'm seeing divergence here. So we came lower, but we lost a lot of selling momentum. So ugh, I mean, that's just telling me that we're not
Yeah,
gonna
but we
go.
just pulled 0.5. Wait, let me see. I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay. Wait, hold up, hold up.
Ooh, London open, London open.
Under the open 12 o'clock. And we
Nothing.
get absolutely nothing. That is crazy.
What the NQ? What happened? No, okay.
Oh,
No,
let me go check you.
it popped up a little.
You. Oh my gosh, I hate him.
Yeah,
It
I look at
looks
that and I'm like, that.
bad. Like, this looks so bad. Look like I don't ever remember it looking like this. Is it just because of the new contract thing or whatever?
I don't know. John, remember that one time you got in and it had jumped again, not this much, but the price had jumped and you kept selling and selling, waiting
Yes.
for it to go down, and
Yeah.
it took until the next
Then,
morning.
yes. That was ridiculous. That, oh my gosh, that made me so mad. And then I
Uh,
looked at it and it did exactly what I wanted it to. It's just I was impatient.
yeah,
I mean, I probably wouldn't have even gotten in because it happened while I was asleep. So it was like, you know,
yeah.
like, oh, future image. Wait, did you know on TradingView you can get the 30-day free trial or whatever?
What?
Yeah, get like the best one for 30 days.
Wow, wow, I didn't know that.
Like, I'm not about to pay for this. I can get it free for 30 days. What the?
Wait, what does it give you?
I got all the indicators, like any
Oh,
indicator, any time frame.
what?
Yeah, any indicator I could ever want.
Well, okay.
Really, yes, that hasn't been very beneficial.
Uh,
What happened to my eyesight? I don't know. Well, we respected it.
oh, respected what?
The eyesight one.
Oh, I need to put it.
Okay, so this could just be a pullback. You know, could just be a pullback.
Yeah, we could be pulling back up to the. Hmm, I don't know. Somewhere. We can pull right back up to the same level.
Yeah, just make it double top itself.
Yeah, it's possible.
I don't know. It just to me it just looks like gotta we gotta get those low.
Hmm.
But I'm thinking of it with the mindset of an MQ person trader.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like you do have to change your mindset just how the market moves, because
Yeah.
it's like
Wait,
you.
so
Hmm?
is it more like a support and resistance type? Like from
Oh,
what you've seen
oh,
trading gold?
gold. See, I don't see a whole lot of that. I mean, so I don't trade gold using support and resistance. I just look to get in on trends, right? But I can see it doing a little bit of that. Like especially last night, we were trading support and resistance. We were just kind of bouncing, but that's when we're in a range, right? But then I don't know, once it just starts going, yeah, I don't know. Because if I zoom out to a higher time frame, let me see what we're dealing with. I don't know. What are we doing here? I mean, maybe there's some support and resistance. Just It seems like it just wants to go up in general.
You said go up?
Yeah, I mean, like just over time price. Yeah, I don't know. Like there's some major levels of support and resistance, but or maybe it's more supply and demand than support and resistance. John, is it past your is it past your bedtime?
Just to leave it.
Just believe it. Uh, are you gonna try to trade it all, or are you done for the night?
I might try. I don't know if I will want to, because if I go into the morning, I feel like it's going to be a mess. But so that's what I try to do in the evening. That way I can not have to trade during the aggressive morning session.
Mm-hmm.
But it just looks so bad.
Yeah.
I don't know. I like this pullback. I kind of want to get in for a full my goal.
For a short.
Yeah, just one contract short for gold. See if we can come back down below lows.
Okay.
Okay, why not?
You're in.
No. I gotta see some more confirmation. Hold up. Let's see what happens on this 22nd.
So this is looking. So I also use the stochastic to see like how far we're pulling back, and we've pulled back pretty far, and we've created a double. Would you call that a double top for the pullback?
Oh, wait, I mean, I don't know yet, but that is not. We don't- that's a good thing, I think. I
It's
did
a
it.
good thing. So let's just wait.
Hold up, be rejected.
That could be
You
the
know,
rejection.
I like to see that.
Sometimes you have to be like, for me, I have to be more decisive because I'll end up sitting there and sitting there, and then yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know. I know,
Yeah, I
John.
have to see like black candle form
You want
or
to see
some
it start
like
going down?
yeah, some kind of directional shit.
And
Because right now it's at 17% the delta, so
uh,
we're still in buys, but it's not a strong upturn. And
oh,
indeed,
and did you miss it?
did I miss it? No, but
Maybe
okay.
not. Maybe not.
Let's be decisive. We're gonna get in right here. First trade live, but not live.
John, why couldn't you be on the camera?
Sorry. Wish I could, but I can't.
Mm.
Is
Yeah, I've gotten better at entering trades. I just use your your mentality when I enter, and I just
what
click.
it is.
What?
It is what it is mentality.
Yeah, I'm just like eh. Because normally I like when I first started trading, I would just sit there and think, well, it could do this and that, and then the traders went, and I was sitting there still analyzing like 10 candles ago.
It is like if you get in and it goes your way, then it goes your way. And if you don't over leverage,
Mm-hmm.
there's not really much to stress out about, you know?
Right. Because when I go in one contract, it's like, okay, it's nothing. I go in two, I'm like, and then anything after that, it's just like, okay. Yeah, raises my heart rate a little bit.
Oh, a lot of it.
Let me look at the 1 minute, see what you're seeing. Oh,
We honestly haven't gotten any like pullback, I guess. But
So we did not create a higher. Oh, we actually are. We're creating a higher.
Yeah, it looks like we're creating a higher.
So did your delta volume just switch to 0?
It switched to 5.
Yes, it should switch.
So I had to get out because the switch.
Oh, were you getting in, or were you in that?
I'm out.
Was it pretty tight stop?
Yeah, it was stupid. It was like literally like 10 days.
That's nothing. So we might be coming all the way back to this 200 moving average, which would be nice, because that's where I would get in if we did end up selling. So see, why is it staying 0? Okay, now it says 4.
This is a lot of buying momentum.
What's with the buy? Why is everybody buying?
Yeah, let me go on up to a higher time frame. This is crazy. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So we created a double bottom down here. I did not see that at all.
Oh, John.
I was looking at the 1 minute, so I didn't see the double bottom. I was okay.
This little.
And then we're oversold. If you look at that, you don't have the oversold bot, but we're way over.
So maybe we're just trying to balance it out a little and come back up.
Yeah. So I am actually my bad. Actually, it's a good thing I moved out. Let's see. Let's see what's happening here. We basically created equal lows.
I wonder how high we're gonna. We could. I don't know. This could be the turnaround point, you know?
Yeah. I mean, we bought here before. This was like where price exploded back up.
Yeah.
Kind of hard because it's like, what if we push through this zone and then finally start selling, you know? But that really makes sense. Who knows?
No.
Who knows?
Yeah, so if I were to sell, it would probably be, ooh, I don't know. I might want to see another little push up, but it's unknown. I'm going there. Oh, okay. What you seeing, John?
I am seeing to me, it looks like a sweep. There's a little order block down here, bullish order block. Don't respect anything. Then.
So we just tapped into a Fibonacci retracement from the entire move, not just the recent move down, but we just tapped into it, like just barely touched it. So I want to see what we do.
For sell side or
for sell side. So this is a full retracement on the sell side, and it's a nice one too. You know, maybe I'll get into a little baby, like a micro Yeah, you can do micro gold. It's like $1.
Wait, I'm looking at maybe my Fibonacci is wrong, but it's not saying that's where the zone is.
Really? Mine's saying that.
It says 0.618, yo. Already passed.
What?
So,
No.
did you do yours from the top to the bottom or from the bottom to the top?
So from what?
Like when you click the first time, did you click it on the bottom to the top or the top to the bottom?
Oh, so I go from the top down, so it's a downtrend. So the top
Yeah.
and then the
Yeah.
bottom.
But well, I should.
I don't know.
That's how I did it.
It's like we're right. We're right. So what are you seeing?
One and is yours 1 and
1 and
0?
0? Yeah, so 1 to 0. Yeah.
Yeah. Why does that not look right then?
Mm-hmm.
I'm confused.
Um, eh, I don't know. I think we might
Wait,
have.
we're at the closing zone?
So we just barely got up to it, and now we're at this little tiny baby. But I'm on the 3 minute. So I don't know if it will pull back into it a little bit more, because it did
Okay.
the last 3 times.
Okay, so you're on the 3 minute.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw in a I'm gonna throw in a micro just to see if I'm right. But don't know.
For me, it's just there's too much thing.
There's too much saying that we're gonna buy.
Both those. I don't think that because it's just the double bottom down here,
Mm-hmm.
and then if my Fibonacci's right, which I don't know, maybe it's not right now, but I feel like we're gonna sell, but it's gonna be down into this like 2, 6, 6, 7-ish range, and then push back up to it.
So what? So you're thinking that we have to?
Like a pullback and then push back up higher because it looks how if it works out how I think it's going to, we have to because we created this bottom down here, right?
Yeah.
It looks like we're turning around, so we have to come back down and test it again to make like a head and shoulders, but upside down.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at 3 minute. Be like a head and shoulders upside.
I see it.
Yeah. So we're probably gonna pull back, and that's why I wouldn't get into it. I mean, you could get into a short, but it's just like
Yeah.
the overall is probably gonna be upwards.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying.
I don't know. I just like that's just what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay, so because honestly, I feel like my Fibonacci is correct, but okay, so does yours go 1, 0.618, 0.5, 0, or does it go 1, 0? Yeah.
Yeah, so I have my levels marked at 0.618 and then 0.5.
Yeah, and that's like the middle. Yeah, that's the middle. I have that exact same thing too. But it said that the golden zone was like 2,668 to 2,667.
6.8.
Yeah.
How you up all the way at 2?
Yeah. Okay. So I marked my highs, like the highest highs up there at 2,671, and then I did the lowest low, which was 2,663.
Okay, so I started the high at 2,675.
2,675. Where was 267? Oh, because you were 267. Wow.
Yeah, so the very top before it kind of started flipping over.
Was that on the one? 267. Oh, 2675.
Yeah, 2675.8 is where my
Whoa, no. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, so that's two. So how the Fibonacci works is it works in pullback because you can see this that the 2675. Oh wait, you said 2675?
Yes.
Whoa. Okay, so are you on the 1 minute?
I'm on 3 minutes.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Why?
Okay, so if you're on a 3-minute, that makes more sense to me. Um, that makes a lot more sense. But even still, that's
Mhm.
still pretty far back. So how the Fibonacci works, it does it for the highest high of the trending, right? So, but ooh, ooh, ooh.
We're going all the way back, back to the
Okay,
top.
do you know what the um what is it? Power of three indicator?
The what?
Power of three. So
Power
basically,
three.
yeah. So basically, it shows you the 1 day candle while you like it's right next to you, so you can see like what's happening. So at this range right now, the candle just turned into a green candle, and it was a black candle. So that's giving you even more confirmation, right? So I'm expecting us to pull back to depending on where we,
I don't know, John. It might just blow all the way through.
and I feel like I'm right on this one.
No.
I feel like it.
I don't know, John. I mean, you're used to the NQ and the
If you say NQ,
yes, John. You. Uh, this is
no,
my market, John.
that that works. Yeah, we all have to we all have to start somewhere, and I am starting here. Oh, and I'm yeah, because the retracement for gold is saying that when we pull back, we should come down to that 2667 level, right? And if we can do that, we should be able to pump the market back up,
Mm-hmm.
which would be glorious, which would be beautiful.
Be nice. Ooh.
But again, what do I know?
What, what do we know, John?
But how about gold?
We're,
Right? They don't know anything about gold.
we're just yeah. I don't know anything about gold either.
Maybe a foreign market, but maybe it's the market that we needed.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I feel like I need a disclaimer in here. Not that anyone's watching, but this,
I actually does. No, honestly, it's because I was watching that one dude. I don't remember what his name is, but it's over time, honestly, because it's like the more you do it, the more you'll start, you know, uh, on the algorithm thing, and then you'll get seen. Like more people will see that your channel is live because first off they don't show it because it's like you're a new channel, so they're gonna give other people priority.
mm-hmm.
Okay, we should be selling down off of this order block up here, and I think we pull back down to that 0.618. If we do this, this will be it. This will be the entry I'm looking for. I really feel like this is gonna do it for me. I think it continue to push up. Who knows?
Who knows? So I set a limit order to sell. See if we do sell down. But it's on the little babies, so it doesn't count.
Yeah, okay, it's fine. Yeah, just to see, because that's what we're both here to do. See, like, what we can do.
Yeah.
No, yeah, it definitely is a good sell to go down to if you have a target of this low down here.
Yeah, so I might so what were you saying? 2667?
Yeah, 2667 roughly. Almost much. Almost some of this stuff.
So
Because it looks like we're gonna create like a equal high right here,
mm-hmm.
and then but we could just right through.
Yeah, we could. So that's always a possibility. So my stop loss is at the top of what is this? The heck? Yeah, so my stop loss is at the top of the So it's at the equals. Hopefully we make it, and if we go all the way up there, which if we're gonna sell, we shouldn't. But if we're gonna buy, then I'm wrong. It's all good. Do, 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 do.
Yeah. Same.
So I'll set my take profit at 2667. That's a good level. And yeah,
Oh.
I'm only up $3, so it's not the end of the world. What?
Oh, I said I'm a 10.
Hey. Oh, you must have got in later. John, are you selling?
Yes.
John. Oh no.
Yeah, I get got, but it's okay.
No, John. You gotta make your money back.
Yeah. I think like we analyzed it pretty well.
Yeah, we're not rushing anything here.
No rush. We just analyzed it. Got in. And we're looking for some sale.
Nobody's watching the live stream except me, John. Nobody.
Give it some time.
Yeah, it's fine. We're not Patrick.
I really don't like Patrick, not gonna lie.
I'm gonna go like my own video. There. Is that name?
Exciting for the people.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta be yelling like Patrick does.
Gotta start yelling. Yeah, we are just kind of struggling. This little candle's been struggling for a minute.
Doesn't know what to do. Like, should we sell it? Should we not?
Yeah, if we do sell here, it'll be awesome. If we don't, then we're just gonna punch through. I see that happening, so it's always good to like tighten your stops and know where you, if it's wrong, you know immediately. So, where's your stop loss at, John?
Is that 267 one? That's like right.
John, that's so tight.
Like I'm not allowing anything.
Okay. Oh, did it get hit, John?
You said what?
Did it get hit?
Yep.
Oh my god.
What?
Yeah, it was indecisive, and then it decided.
It decided exactly what it wanted to do.
But it's all good. Did it take you out on a bad fill?
A bad fill. It was just took me out to the top. Higher. This retracement is going to be insane.
Yeah, so we did not respect that my major retracement zone, so I think we are not. I'm just gonna get rid of it because it's not gonna do it. Okay, I'll put my stop loss at 18 ticks if we decide to turn around by some. We're not gonna, but it's fine.
Come back to a major zone.
Oh, what?
A major over spot zone.
Oh, that's where we came back to. I need to put that on my chart maybe, because maybe that'll help. It didn't help with the Nikkei, that's why I didn't use it, but Wait, so how many indicators within the like the premium or whatever you have?
Not even a lot, to be honest. I think it's unlimited now.
Well. Yeah, so at this point I wouldn't. Oh, I gotta go fix it. John, are you in a trade?
No.
Okay.
just don't see why we're buying so much.
I don't know.
It confuses me.
I mean, I am sort of biased for buys, even though I'm in a sell, just because I don't know, we've been selling for so long. I just don't, and because we kind of created almost a double-ish bottom for selling, I think we we should pump back up. You know, eventually we should start a new uptrend,
Yeah.
and
I
that's
mean,
what.
at least
Yeah, so
something, try to do something, but it's just it's that. Wait, how far is your stop?
so my stop was at 18 ticks. Now I just moved it down to 14, so it's right at the top of where we just hit. And so I'm -5. So if we pump down from here, we do, but I don't think we will. I don't know. I don't see that happening. So yeah, but it's only like $14, so it's not.
That's not bad.
Yeah, like I don't like to trade the micros just because I don't know. I feel like it messes with my psychology, but I don't know. It's super early in the morning, and I'm not in the mood to see a lot of negative numbers. So,
I get that. I'm the exact same thing.
mm,
I'm not. Sadly.
oh, John,
What's up?
are you? Are you? Is it bad?
Yeah,
John, no. What?
it's okay.
John.
What's up?
Maybe we just wait for um. I don't know. Some better.
A better time, better day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to tell you when to get it because I know if I told you John, get on the knee care, right? You could
Yeah.
have held this because I wouldn't have because
That,
I get scared, but I don't know.
I don't know. For me, it's like honestly, there's no reason to be scared.
Hmm.
But I mean, unless you have some kind of attachment, If you have an attachment,
Yeah.
just have fear. If you have no attachment, there's no reason to have fear.
Yeah, you're right.
I have no attachments. Probably.
Oh, all right. Is it gonna take me out? We shall see. Yeah, so because it's above my 200 moving average, um, I don't know. I honestly think we could still sell, but I don't know why. With all this buying, I'm still like we could sell.
I'm in the same boat with you. No, because there has to be some kind of like retracement. Even if we're gonna be bullish, there has to be some kind of
Hmm.
pullback, some retracement, right?
Right.
That's why I think, you know, but it might just be very slightly, and then we, shoot for the moon.
Yeah. The other thing I see potentially happening is since we're just at this middle, well, because we're at this 200, I could see us just chopping around here for for a little bit before we decide a new direction.
Yeah.
But because you're right, I do think we do need to. It does need to retrace a little bit more. It can't just.
Yeah, like cool down, chill out,
Mhm.
relax,
'Cause
do
that's
something.
a lot of buying.
Yeah, like out of nowhere too.
So I don't know why is my John. Why is my delta saying that that buying no that selling is still more prominent? Why I don't get that.
Because so on the higher time frame, that's what is actually happening. On the lower time frame, it's showing me that we have more buying happening.
Oh, but you
So
think
that
3 minutes isn't like a 2 minute difference is not. that nature.
Yeah, so right now the delta is weakening, so it'll be at 100%. I mean, 104% now. We're at, oh, nope, now we're at 107.
What? Of buying?
We're at 97%, which means the delta is weakening, and now it's strengthening.
What?
And now it's weakening.
What is this craziness?
I don't know.
Uh, you know, just for the sake of, because I might move my stop loss a little bit higher, just in case we end up selling, but I don't want to put it right on the line. What?
You don't move this fast.
No, John, it's only at 15. It was at 14 and now it's at 16. Like, I just moved it just because if we do tap this again, yeah, so if we end up sweeping it, we're just gonna sweep it. But if we tap it and then go down, I just wanted to give it a couple extra ticks of breathing room in case. But it's not bad because my stop was originally at like 30 or 40, so now it's at 16. So I don't think that's too terrible, John. It's okay.
Mine is like I don't even know what.
Oh, yeah, sell. Oh, yay. I mean, what am I up? $0. Negative $0. Well, that's. I was happy for no reason.
All the way back up. Yep.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's too early in the morning for the bus.
I'm feeling like you're winning, and then you lose. That's what I. It's like, oh, yes, you finally know.
Oh.
It's a split candle. There we go. Push that down. Push that down. Push the market down. Push the market down.
See, why we have so many? According to this, there's nobody buying, but the sellers. I still feel like the sellers are too weak. Because if we have all these sellers, but we're not really, why aren't we moving price more? You know?
Yeah.
Like, is that what that means? Like, if you have more sellers, but they're not moving the market.
That means they're just sitting there. I don't know why they would be sitting there. It's like you're not a seller then. No, it means that their sell orders getting placed. So.
Or people that are in buys are just selling. Well, why would they? I mean, oh, okay.
Yeah, that's not no. So that's not how that works.
How does it work?
So it's like the orders that are getting put in are buy orders, and the orders that are sell orders. So it's not like actual people saying I'm a buyer or I'm a seller. It's the actual orders that are getting put in.
So it's not the orders that are being like just filled. It's like this person wants to buy, this person wants to sell.
No, so like on here it shows there's like 33 people that bought at a certain level, or 41 people that sold at a certain level. Like that's what it's saying. That's what the buyer and seller thing is. It's how many people bought and how many people sold at a certain level.
Oh, what?
I don't know why we have 1,000 people buying on the 1 minute.
What?
People are killing me.
Stop buying, people. Oh, okay. I'm looking at the 1 minute and I see what you're saying, John. There's nobody selling. Why does the 3 minute look so different?
It should. But if everybody's buying, wouldn't that mean did it take you out?
Probably. Let me check. Oh no, I still have 3 ticks left. Okay, chill. Okay, I'm out. Yep. All right. So that's fine. Whatever.
It's right there. I say.
All right. So let me see what I want to do. I'll probably. I don't know. If we end up buying, I'd want to see these moving averages cross and establish a nice uptrend first.
Yeah.
But that might not happen for a while, so it's all good. That's crazy. There's a lot more movement happening on the 1 minute than the 3. I don't get it. John, shouldn't you be going to bed or something?
It's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon. You know, it is what it is.
Okay. So we just gonna buy all those. So that's interesting.
What?
So on the 1 minute, we've already crossed over for buying. Interesting. Very interesting. I don't know. Maybe I need to pay more attention to the 1 minute. I don't know. I feel like it's too stressful. How long has the stream been going? I might have to let the stream spend an hour and a half of nothing. Just loss after loss after loss.
Hey, it's all good. What comes after losses?
More loss.
More losses, yes. 100% more losses.
Where are we selling from? Or is this just a pullback?
Who knows?
Nope, I'm switching back to the 3 minute.
I'm just confused because it's like, how could you have that many people buying and nobody selling? And it's just like, if you have that many people buying, then you gotta have somebody step into the market and start selling, you know?
Yeah.
Looks like we're finally getting more people to jump in.
More sellers?
Maybe. We have 644.
The sellers are so weak.
They're so weak. Kind of crazy.
John, can you see depth of market?
Depth of market? Where is that?
Oh, is it like on TradingView? Do you have like the full DOM, or does it just show like the one?
Oh, look at the DOM. I can't really tell if I have the full DOM or not.
Oh, so if you did, it would have like multiple numbers versus just having like one book on each side.
It has multiple numbers.
Oh. Wait a second.
That shows like people buying and selling.
Oh, I don't know how to get the DOM on here.
Doesn't the DOM come standard? Question mark?
I feel like it would, but I don't know how to. Oh man, why are we selling all the way back to where I was in? It's whatever.
No, it's whatever. It's always what happens. It's like it'll sweep and then it'll sell all the way back. Lord have mercy.
Why?
No, that's crazy. No, that's crazy. Oh my gosh.
Come on, people.
Oh, you little rascal. Oh, you little rascal. You're a little monster, buddy. Crazy. Take all these people out.
But I don't know. Do we think it's gonna keep selling, or is this just a pullback to buy?
I feel like we sell down to if this is valid. This is what we're gonna do. We should sell down to because we have a retrace. Remember
to 668.
To 668. Yeah. Hey. That's the now. Look at you using the Fibonacci.
Yes, John. John, I used Fibonacci way before you.
Okay. Yeah.
Red.
Let's not get active.
You know, I might just be bold enough to place a limit order down there. No, wait, I don't think I can. Oh. Yes. Max contracts on a buy. On the way down. No. Where'd the pup go? Oh my gosh. It's done it, John. Oh, on the Nikkei, it's sold back down equal low. No. No, but I feel like if it's gonna, it should, it has to. If it does respect this divergence. Otherwise, we'll just sell back into this major, well, what is this? Major support. You know, I might just get in on the Nikkei, just one contract, and try to hold it this time.
Nikkei?
Yeah, because I like what I'm seeing based off of divergence. So, and I'll get it on my 50K account, so it's not. Or maybe I should get on the 100K account.
Wait, because you're funding with 2 accounts, right?
Yes, I don't know which one to use. Because it's not really a hunch trade, but it also is because, I don't know. If we respect the level, then we do. If we don't, then, I mean, it could go either way. So, it really could go either way. I want to place a buy right where we are. Oh, it's going to go without me. No. All right, I'm going to do it. I placed my limit order.
Let's go. You're on it.
We'll see what happens. Oh, man, it's on the 50K. Oh, well.
Wait, you want it on the 50K?
I kind of wanted to put it on the other one because I need like $80 more to pass my buffer. So, okay. So now I'm in.
Buffer, if you were to request a payout.
Yeah.
If you were to request a payout, you would need $80 more.
Well, to pass my the 3,000 because I've been trading it for so long and I haven't passed it. So. Pretty sad, John. Alright, so see if we respect this. If not, then oh well.
I almost feel like you have to not advertise, you have to pay for like promotions for people to actually
To see your stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe that's just me.
Respect my levels.
Which
I'm talking to the Nikkei. I need to step away. I can't look at it. Negative, John.
It's okay.
It's just one tick, but I don't know. Seeing $25.
I don't know. This being negative is a whole mental thing for me. But then it's like seeing positive doesn't do anything for me though. I think maybe that's what my issue is. It's like up numbers is cool, but like seeing negative numbers like just tears into my soul.
Oh, John.
No, like I don't know what it is, but it's just like it's just bad.
It's bad.
Yeah.
Damn Vortex John. I am gonna set a limit order where my no, yes. I'm gonna set a limit order where my stop loss is. Bum, bum, bum. For no reason. Okay. Maybe just slightly below. Boop. Oh, phew. Okay, we're good. We're good. Wait, so John, how many accounts do you have?
One.
John?
Yeah. Oh, the reason I have one.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, yes, continue.
Did you dinner with?
No, I just popped over to gold and I was just mad that I got taken out.
I'm watching gold right now. But yeah, I've only always this rumor I only have the one funded one.
Yeah, the 50K?
You saw what?
The 50K funded?
Yeah, I need the 300K so I can be back up at 20K.
Yeah, John.
There, if I had like I think if I use like gold
Mm-hmm.
or regular, I could get it past and then get back up. And because gold kind of respects things a little bit better,
You
I
should,
think
John. Do it.
get this payout.
Do it, John. Wait, are you gonna get a payout this next week or something?
So let me not jinx it
Oh.
by saying, but that's the mission.
Okay.
But I have to get the $4,000. Oh, that's to get a full payout. If I want to just get like a regular payout, like any size payout, I have to get at least 26,500. That's the extra bare minimum we gotta be at. So it's the work that's gotta get put in, but
Yeah.
comes with the.
So if it does what we want it to do, it should keep selling. Should.
I'm sure.
Max contracts.
Max contracts. Question mark. No.
No, but John.
I look at the max contract personally more. It's just not worth it anymore. You gotta pick and choose what's worth it in life.
Yeah.
Want to, have to restart all of it.
Yeah, it's not worth it to just kind of throw it all away, especially when you're in a live, not live, but funded account. Like, why?
Funded first, and so it's like you can have it for the rest of your life. You
Mm-hmm.
know, you can have it. You can have it, and so there's no reason to just throw it away because you know.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. So I'm just gonna try to put this thing out.
Come on, Nick, go. Da da da. Haha. I'm up for Dick's John.
Well, it's $100.
Maybe celebrated a little too early. I don't know.
Now you down.
It's now it's 3 ticks. It hurt me. Oh. Oh gosh.
Outside and the money you're doing the most. Down on the table. I came up with another song.
Yeah? Oh, that's what I forgot. I usually play music during these live streams. For my viewers.
It's pretty weird. Yeah, that could be it too. It's just you talking. Some people don't,
Hey!
Relaxing music.
Oh, you're right, John. Okay. Let me see what we got. I just play some music on YouTube. Would I get copyright striked?
Copyright strikes for what?
I don't know. Playing music? I don't know.
Well, actually, it depends. You have to. So they will copyright you, but it won't be like they'll just say something, something, something. It's gonna get muted. but plus I have even so I would just play if you're going to play anything, play just like actual music, like just the music itself.
Like no, not actual songs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
with lyrics or anything, just music.
Yeah.
Get the copyrighted for that.
Okay, okay. Let's see. Is my desktop sound on? Well, it's pretty quiet. I don't know what's happening. Ah!
I'm gonna check how it sounded on the YouTube.
Oh yeah, can you see how it sounds? Cause yesterday I just listened like on my um like my headphones, my connected to my phone. Oh, and I didn't know you could do like you could filter your vault, like filter the the audio.
Yeah, to make it. Uh, I don't hear any audio.
You don't?
No, my sound is all the way up, and I don't hear anything coming from you.
Come on.
That could also be another reason why nobody's there.
Yeah, yeah.
Also, could be the time of day as well. Time of day is a big factor.
It's yeah, cause it's who's awake at this time?
People in different countries, so if there's anybody in a different country, they're definitely
So it says that I have audio output.
but does it show it's like flashing?
Yeah, so like when I'm speaking, like I can see like the volumes going. Um,
Okay, so I just don't hear anything.
hmm. Is it because you're no, I don't know if it's not because you're on the phone. Hmm. I don't know, I don't know.
It'll play in the background.
Yeah, it should. Well, maybe this live stream is dead. John, I can't do technology.
Are you also in the live stream?
So I can hear, so I can actually hear on my end.
Like, no, but are you like in the live stream itself? So,
Oh no, so I'm listening on YouTube.
oh, okay. It's because yeah, sure there's two people in there. That's me, and I was just thinking it was you two.
You know, it's just me, John. No, when I first started yesterday, there were three people. So I think it was me, you, and then I don't know, but then everybody left, John. And I was like, yeah.
Oh,
I was like, well, sad.
bad day, bad day.
Thanks for joining.
And I don't see. Thanks for joining.
I did. Oh,
I
there
don't.
might be a delay.
I'm not feeling very naughty right
Ah,
now.
yeah.
Hey, some of your um,
Hey, you just left the stream, John.
I'm still here.
You are? Oh,
Yeah.
maybe I left my own stream.
You left here. Don't.
I don't know. I kind of want to. I don't know. Maybe if I have like some sort of like comedy, not comedy, but like make it fun for the viewers. I don't know.
And again, it's the time of day.
I can't stream during. If I can stream during New York, that's when everybody's on.
I mean, that's almost even if it's just like little kiddos, just popping in.
Yeah. Yeah. Gosh. John, I'm scared. Why is it whenever I enter a trade, I get so scared.
You get scared.
Yes, like my stomach just feels all.
No, you have three people, so it's you, me, and somebody else.
Oh, it's not. But John, it's like, hey,
Oh
dude.
my gosh.
Hmm?
I didn't want to
John,
let
what'd
you.
you do? What did you
I,
do?
in the trade.
You're in a trade?
In the trade, I just didn't want to say anything because I didn't want to screw it up.
And how's it go?
It went great. It
Yay!
went down.
Oh, it's going down, John. Yes.
It went down, but it took down my stop. I put my
John,
stop.
why do you have a stop loss?
I know I stopped my take profit.
Oh, good. Oh, good.
Yeah.
John, why don't you put your take profit at the level with the?
Yeah, that's 2669. It took me out.
Oh, so you're up. Did you make your money back, John?
Most of it.
Did you go full port, John?
Your contract.
So you went full port.
All of them at the top of the 2673.
You started at 2673?
2763.
That's where you got in?
Yes.
Wow, John, that's like the top.
It is.
Hey, that's awesome.
I guess.
Well, let me count how many ticks you made. 2, 6, 7, 3, and 7, up to 10. Ooh, nice, John. 40,
Yeah.
40 some?
That was only 40 ticks. Why did that take so long? Also, we're in the golden zone for a pullback for to continue higher.
Nice, nice. Wait, so you should be. Oh yeah, we're tapping right into that golden zone. And we just, well, on my end, we just hit it. Maybe my levels were wrong.
No, you're not. Mine's the exact same spot.
Oh, okay, so yeah, just tapping. So yeah, if we bounce off here, it'll be sweet.
And yeah, I'll know exactly where to target. Right back up where I bought when it's sold.
I like it, John. I like it.
Oh, it's too easy. Except, yeah, it was like I didn't want to say like I'm in here because if it doesn't, I don't know. Whenever I say I'm in a trade, that's when it goes wrong.
That's when it goes bad.
That's when I swear if we buy out from here. Should I get more? No, don't do a job. You don't need to.
I mean, you could go in a micro and just see what it does.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I might want to, if we get more into it, I might want to get in just like, I don't know.
We're already into it. We pulled back and now we're back up.
Wait, am I missing stuff? I can't. Oh no, we pulled away. No. Oh yeah.
Everything's happening over 1 minute. That's why I was able to get my entry because I was seeing that we stalled twice. And you were seeing a 3 minute, which is still not weird.
So I wasn't seeing, I just saw like I was like, how did you know to get in right there? But I see if you're on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Then, okay. That's what you're seeing.
And then another thing is I was even oversold over bought.
I see it too.
Yeah. And it was like perfect. It swept it and then it came back down. I was like, yeah, that's gotta be it.
I think before I start utilizing the 1 minute, I'll have to like do some back testing and kind of see what I want to look for because I don't know. I don't.
It's like so much opportunity.
There's more opportunity.
And it's not as, I mean, like, I feel like the contracts are more, but I feel like I'm okay with that because I can read this a little bit better. Like, NQ is so hard to read. It's just a mental, like.
Yeah. But you're right, John. Like, on the 1 minute, this is looking so clear.
It's like it rejected perfectly off this right here, off the golden zone. Hey, we may come back again and push it, but it's just like.
Yeah.
You can just see everything clearly here. It's and there was at the very top part where we were trying to decide where we wanted to go, and wicking there, but it's like, which determining where like the market's going, and it's just going. It's smooth. Like once we get to a specific level, that's when we start wicking because like people don't know where to go.
And I do see it respecting these overbought, oversold. Maybe this is something to start utilizing on my end, just because, for better entries. That's really good, John.
Yeah, I feel like for and you don't just use it. Oh, there's an overbought, oversold. It's like because this created an overbought, oversold, and then it went through it and then came back down, and that was let me know like, okay, yeah, this is and we did another one previously before that, and then one above it, and it was like, this has gotta be a Zelda. Like,
Mm-hmm.
it does.
You're
But
right, John.
yeah,
So you made all your money back.
most of it, and now we're gonna make more.
Yay! John, maybe you should go to bed.
No, I'm not doing that.
Okay.
I'll go to sleep when I'm rich. How about that?
Uh,
When I can sleep on a yacht on the ocean, and yeah.
uh,
Okay, so
so we're coming
gold,
back to it.
does it usually retrace to the 0.68, 6.8, or the 0.5, or that's what I need to figure out. It's like how far does it usually retrace if we're in a strong bullish or bearish trend? But right now it shows delta volume is insanely strong in the cells.
Mm-hmm.
121% is insane.
Meanwhile, on the 3 minute.
It doesn't confuse me. This is why I am always like, see, can you do the 2 minute?
No, I can't. Wait, can I? Can you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait.
Do anytime during my life.
I can. Wait, why do I never use this?
Pretty decent.
What?
Not as aggressive. On a 2 minute, looks like we swept it came back down.
Mm-hmm.
But there's another potential buying beach.
Potential.
Oh, I want to get in so bad. Oh, I'm gonna kick.
No, don't get FOMO, it's coming down.
Oh, I'm gonna kick myself, I know it.
But on the 3 minute, okay, I'm switching to the 1 minute, but I'm not trading it, okay.
Look on the 1 or the 2, you're gonna see what I see.
Okay, I see what you're seeing, John.
It's just like, for some reason, I feel like we would sweep down lower, just
I feel like we kind of, because see how we kind of created that almost like, not really a double bottom, but we tapped it twice.
Tapped it, tested it, and then almost like an order block. But
right, because if people think, oh, okay, well, we're going to take off, we might just, if people put their stop losses below, it's going to come for them before it goes higher, because it needs to grab, I feel like it would want to grab some of those, because what would those be?
Because if you look back in time, there's a spot right there where people could have put stop losses, breaking. So maybe he has to sweep that. Yep, there it is. Coming back, you FOMO could have gotcha. Honestly,
what?
I would have put my stops to take under those 0.618 level.
See, and that's looks like it's if you see that, do you see the little peak that it made? It might come down. So yeah, stop pressing buttons. Go away, little puppy. Wait, so do you see maybe around, is it Tuesday? Around 12:37, they kind of made like a little peak.
Yeah.
And that's kind of where the 6.18 is.
Yeah.
We could come back and tap that.
Okay, so if I get in anything, it's going to be gold micros. I'm not losing anything. Made a decent amount.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to lose that. Okay, so
we're right in the zone.
We're right in that.
I kind of want to get out. Stop blinding me.
Let's do it. Just do it on the micros, and then you put your stop under the 0.618, and then well, I feel like if this does go, we're gonna push.
Yeah.
This at least there's 673. Well, I just sold and got it, so.
Oh. Okay, so let me. I hate on Top Step where you have to switch between. You have to switch like your on both of them. It doesn't just automatically. Stop attacking me. Puppy is mean.
Okay, I got it for 1 micro. I'm not stressing out about it.
Oh, yay. Wait for me. I'm trying.
Too late.
Yeah. Ouch. Zazo. Stop. Why are you so mean to me? Micro. Hey.
Well,
Little pup, you go right
Wow,
back
these
to where
micros
you came from.
absolutely nothing.
What happened? What happened?
No, the micros $3 or $2. Come
Wait,
on.
how many micros did you get in?
I was worse. How many should I be in?
Oh, I don't know. I was gonna do one, cause
I think I could do more because this is ridiculous.
it's a dollar. Ah,
Well,
what?
no. Okay, and now we're going the direction I want.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I need to size in, right?
Ah. Zalala. God.
This is so bad.
When I see you at Christmas time, you should deal with the pup.
You still have to deal with the public Christmas?
Yes, because he's mean.
Oop,
He's
it's funny.
he's hijacking my live stream and biting me. Now what?
I feel like if we go any lower, we're not gonna respect this. I don't know.
Then we're not gonna respect the.
We get another one of these stupid black long freaking candles.
Oh, I don't see that. What is what's
I don't
happening?
think like hang out. Who knows?
Oh, I see it. I see it. Hmm.
Oh, the cell strength looks like it's still
Pretty.
there.
Still pretty high.
Yeah, because we're started at negative 51, so I want to see the delta start coming down in order to size into anything.
But $2. That's
And
so cute.
yeah.
Oh. Ah. You lost $12.
Yep.
Hey, it's not terrible.
Yep, and we plow right through it.
Yep. So we did not respect it at all.
Gotta wait for it to close. Wait for the camera to close. Because it's pulling right back up. That's me saying we're respecting it.
Oh, did you get taken out first though?
Yeah, I got taken out. So I'm gonna try it again.
Okay.
Chat. And that's why we use the micros.
If we keep blasting through it, then it's not gonna respect it, and we're just gonna go. What was I doing?
Then I'm back under, and fingers crossed. If it times again, I'm done. I'm not doing.
Get done for the day. Bye-bye. Looks like we're still selling on the dime. I'm gonna. Oh, we jumped down. What happened?
What in the name of retracement?
Is it not respecting it, John?
Oh, it's like right on it. It's like right about bottom to the point where it pushes anymore. Yeah, it's done. So.
It's why did I, John? I just got it.
You just got it.
I just clicked the button. I'm down one tick. I'm just gonna tighten it super tight.
There's a buy order block right here.
Buy?
Yeah.
Oh. Well then maybe I'll just keep it.
No, that's it. That means like were you selling or were you
buying? I was buying. Yeah, down $4, John.
Yeah, I was too.
Well, that's pretty sad. Oh, let me go manage my Nikkei trade real quick.
Wait, so are you trading both of them at the same time?
Yeah. Can I do that? Oh wait.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's like, why are we putting all our eggs in one basket?
Exactly.
Right?
Because I'm up in the Nikkei.
Micros. You could be trading the. Okay, yeah, it didn't respect their thought.
Did it?
No.
John, you should have got in the Nikkei. Pretty cool stuff.
Tell me that. No. I'm not. I just got everything back on gold. I'm not getting crushed again.
Oh, snap.
Give me a break from that until it starts behaving like it should.
Am I getting crushed too? I can't see the charts.
On the Nikkei or the...
Oh, on gold, it's going down.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it exploded back to that.
No!
We're gonna continue setting.
I'm gonna set my stops to break even on the Nikkei so I don't lose anything. And if we run, we run. If we don't, oh well. I kind of want to take my profit, but
Wait, how much are you up on?
Oh, I'm only up 13 ticks, so like 300 something.
When you say only,
What?
that's a lot of money.
Yeah, I mean, I already made 400, so I mean, I could just take it and then just be done. I don't know. I don't.
What in the name of sellers over buyers?
What's happening?
There's 922 sellers and 384 sellers.
Wow. Oh, we did not respect that. I don't want to be in this if we're not respecting it.
I genuinely feel like gold is a scalping market.
Yeah, it's so I've seen that too, John. I'm gonna get myself stopped out because
I feel like
hey, it didn't take me out of the trade, Borg.
it took you out.
John, help! I don't know what's happening. I canceled my stop loss. Help me. What do I do? Do I sell or do I buy? I think I sell.
Wait.
Damn it! Okay, I'm out. John, that was scary. It's kind of scary. I didn't know what was happening.
There's sometimes where it won't give me sell it'll only give me 2 stop limits or stop limit orders.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why. It's really weird.
What should I do? What should I do?
For what?
For the Nikkei, because I'm up and I'm up 13 ticks.
Wait, how much do you need to? Where is your balance at?
Oh, so I'm starting basically from 0. So yeah, my balance right now is 839. And I'm so mad because if I had stayed in last night's trade, I would have been fine. So I don't want to make the same mistake, but then I don't want to make the mistake of trying to not make a mistake, but also making a mistake.
So here's the thing. So why did you get in?
Why did I get in? Because what did I get in this trade? Oh, because I saw divergence. Because of the MACD divergence, we lost a lot of. We came down lower, but we didn't bring any of the selling power, and it's in that same zone because you know where that major low was. It didn't come all the way down to it, but sometimes it won't, right? So sometimes it'll just kind of come down close to it and then go. So I consider that a zone, not a specific line. So that's why I'm in. But when I look, I'm on the 3-minute. When I look at how we've been coming down, we have a pullback. So I don't know if this is just a pullback to continue lower, and we could go all the way back to this previous. Well, that's a long ways to go, but so I think it's valid, but I don't.
So there, you have your analysis, right?
Yeah, so, my analysis is good. It's just I want my money.
So yeah, I know. But it's like this is on the 50K, right?
Yeah, 50K. So
let's say 50K you can hold longer, and then the other one just take your profit when you make profit.
Yeah, you're right. So
it's like two accounts, so one of them can always be that one where you're a little bit more aggressive, and then you won't be asking anybody.
Right. Yeah, you're right, John. Because that was my goal. That was my plan, was to be a little bit more aggressive on, not aggressive, but like hold it for longer.
Yeah.
Versus trying to get to, you want to get a payout, you gotta have your days and all that.
I hate that.
But yeah, I think I saw my take profit's at 48 ticks, so it's about halfway. I'll maybe make it 40 ticks, so it's about halfway through this range. So,
I honestly just want to get one day where I get to. Oh, your camera went out.
It did.
Yeah, it's not sharing. Also, you had like 2 other people in the stream.
I did.
Then you came off flag and then asked.
No. Why? I sad, John.
Yeah. Peace, man.
But thanks for letting me know. I would not have known that.
Yeah, unless you were in there, were you on YouTube?
Um, was that? Oh, it's probably me.
Oh yeah. So then you have two other people who I'm in here, and then there's two other people that joined. But then they left the stream black.
But I'm sorry, people come back. Come back.
What do you mean? Basement.
Why does it do this to me? Okay, I'll switch it to this little screen. Okay.
Hold the biggest candle all the way back up. If I would have stayed in my long I was in, short I was in,
it would have been golden.
Beautiful. I got in all the way up to that top. Okay, trying the Fibonacci again. You got three people again.
I do.
How you got one?
Oh man.
It's like they keep fluctuating in and out. It's kind of weird. It's because all I see is live every day starting at midnight Central Time. Gold futures.
Oh, should I say something better than that, John?
It's fine. I mean, you can make it more flashy and you put yourself on the screen.
Yeah.
Make sure your audio is working. I still don't think it is.
But John, I can hear myself. I think it's you should go on like a different, like your computer or something.
Yeah.
Because when I am listening through my headphones, I hear some music playing. What's happening?
I recorded that gold trade anyway, so I'm gonna put it on my TikTok.
No, I mean, John, I use CapCut now.
CapCut's fire.
I know.
You can make things so easily.
I had no idea it was so cool.
No, literally all you have to do is copy and paste. Wait, how much are you up?
On the Nikkei?
Yeah.
I don't. Oh, I'm live streaming that part. 350.
Yeah, so this is what people want to see. I'm not gonna lie.
They want to see the money.
Yes.
Wait, are you watching it?
Yeah.
Oh, yay!
But let me go on YouTube. I'm gonna have to go grab some juice.
Juice?
Yeah. Let's see. What is your channel called?
It's called me. Lizzie Sheila. I didn't want to put trades or a trading or whatever because I didn't want it to be a trading channel, but yet here we are.
I can't find it. Wait, it's Lizieo. Lizie.
Oh, am I sharing my whole screen? That's crazy. Okay. Oops. Yeah, Lizie.
Not popping up.
Come on. John, you're supposed to be a subscriber.
It's not on the right account. My bad.
John, you better subscribe on that account too.
Hold up. Let me see. There it goes. Yeah, I'm subscribed on this one.
Yay. Ooh, we got news this morning.
Wait, it's morning?
Oh, I mean, what time is it there?
Yeah, the audio.
Oh, the audio works on your computer?
Yeah.
What have I done? Okay, there we go.
I can hear myself. It's really weird.
Right? I think it's cool that I have a guest speaker on my channel.
Yeah. And you're up $300, $400.
Pretty cool. Yeah. Pretty exciting stuff.
Ooh, yeah, I can definitely see you going up to 45 too.
45. Oh, 40. Yeah, it's if we don't come back in. The only reason why I do a 2-tick stop is because the Nikkei likes to skip. So
just jump fast.
Yeah, so this will more accurately put me at 0 if it does come back down.
Okay, so 45 ticks. How much would that be if it goes the whole way?
Dare I Dare I look at it and then not get it? 45 ticks.
Because 10 ticks is 250.
So it's 25 times 45. 45.
Yeah. But then that's me, actually.
I'm punching it on the calculator. So that'd be like just like 1100. So
Oh,
nothing too
okay.
crazy.
That was crazy, but okay. Anyways,
Anyways, but yeah, if I pop it, I might get cold feet and get out.
yeah, if it breaks, because what you want to see is it break down. Okay, so the reason I would hold it, if I were to hold it, is if you see it break down of this downtrend that it's been in.
Yeah.
I draw like almost like a trend line, like zoom it in a little, or even,
Oh
and then
yeah.
draw a trend line to see if it breaks out of that. That's gonna give you that extra confirmation.
Oh, so if I drew it like starting from like somewhere up here or something, and then
Uh, it's delayed, so I'm waiting.
oh,
Okay, it's showing it now. Yeah, so from that high right there,
okay.
and then uh, you want to break out of, yeah, exactly, right there. You want to see it push out instead of projecting, make it slightly big. You want to see it push through that. And
Yeah.
confirmation, I'll be like, okay, I can hold this trade up to
Yeah.
that
Okay.
high.
Okay. Yeah. If it doesn't break out, it's cool, you know.
Yeah.
Cause I already made some money on this one, so my main focus is gonna be trying to look for trying to see what gold's doing. Cause
Oh, back to gold. Oh my gosh. Oh,
meanwhile, in gold,
we are coming down to this double bottom, possibly. Or we're just gonna keep pushing deep further down.
hmm, see, we just
Because so I have this indicator that's order like shows me the order blocks, right? So it has
hmm
a bullish order block down at this low, which is 2,660
hmm
ish range. So if gold respects ranges, we should be able to bounce off of this and start buying again.
oh,
But that's if gold wants to respect this zone.
I don't think it wants to. I don't
Well,
know.
let's throw our pennies in the well.
You're throwing your pennies in the well. Oh, a buy?
Yeah,
Yeah, if it does buy, this will be a good zone for it. Let's
that's
see.
what.
But if it doesn't, it's gonna break right through.
Yeah, didn't even have to wait.
Were you? Did you get in?
Didn't get in.
Oh,
I was
good.
getting
John, you could have held that one.
so bad.
Because you got in way up. Let's just measure, John. Let's do the numbers. Let's run those numbers.
I just wanted to get back
John,
because
were you in two contracts?
what?
Were you in two contracts
For what?
when you were in that when you first entered?
Yeah,
John, it went down about almost 100 ticks. It could have been 2 grand, John.
that would have been my buffer. And like, oh shoot, it's doing what I wanted.
Oh, are you in? Are you in?
I'm scared.
John, don't be scared.
I-
Don't be a mouse, like you say.
Yes, I know. It's just like it moved so fast because I was thinking we were just pushing right through, and
Mm.
then we held up this resistance zone.
Mm, I don't know.
I don't know. It's kind of yeah. It's kind of playing around at this zone.
Still
I
kind
don't
of
like
iffy.
it's a scary place to get in, but I'm in the micro, so
Uh,
I
John. Oh,
what
yeah.
what
So on the kneecap, seeing a rejection off that line, I'm feeling like I want to get out. I want to get
no, but just know that you could just punch right, right back through. You're up 9 now, and
out.
you know.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Focus on the long. This account is for focusing on the long term. You're right, John. I need
Uh,
you to tell me because otherwise
you'll get out.
I'll get
Yes.
I'll get out like I did last night.
But okay, here's the thing. You've already made profit for the night.
Hmm.
If this ends up losing, right, then
Hmm.
you're just with this account, right? Then you just
Yeah. It,
unless you still want to, right? But I feel like that's the best way to. Okay, I gotta win. I'm just trying to get a second win. If I don't, then
yeah,
it's,
you're right. You're right. You're right. Okay.
we're
Uh,
struggling level.
we're struggling. What are we doing?
We're down. Still waiting. If
So
we break, I,
if it's gonna buy right here.
yeah, and so eesh, it's so weird because it's like it's right on the. It could break out of here, but then it's staying just above, just enough. Nope, no, 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 no.
What's it gonna do?
I would lose $20 if I get in two contracts here.
John, your stop loss would be one tick.
No, 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 I'm not. I'm in the my
Oh, okay.
that's yeah, because I'm not comfortable about this one.
Um, mm, I mean, this is what we're talking about before. Like, it's gonna be one or the other. Either it's gonna go one way or the other.
You're you're right.
So this is a 50-50. So it's like, what do you want to do?
I mean, first, I'm more bullish. Okay, okay. Let's look at what we have. We have more sellers than we have buyers.
Hmm.
But
Got more sellers than buyers.
the 2 minute, we have more sellers than buyers.
Hmm. 3 minute, we got a lot more sellers than buyers. Uh, but okay, buyers just stepped in. They're stepping
Right.
up. Buyers are stepping up. John, sometimes you can't overanalyze the. Why am I should be in this right now. Uh, I should
Yeah,
be trading.
we definitely respected that zone. That was, yeah. I overanalyzed that a little too long.
Yeah, overanalyzing will definitely get you. You know.
But it's because I made my profit, so I'm just like,
Right. But see, that's the thing, John. You made your profit, so what's risking like $20 on a couple on some micros? You know, it's not.
I'm still technically down on the day.
John, I thought you were up.
I'm up past where I was down
At
to the point. Now on the day, I'm still down.
God.
Like it was very cool, but it's not nearly as much as I need it. Yeah, I have like, oh my gosh.
John. Okay, maybe it's just a pullback from a downtrend. I don't know.
I don't think so.
Ah.
Because here's the thing, right? This was a bullish order block. We
See.
remember what happened the last time we bought here? We pushed up, um, but we did make equal bottoms. You know how I am about those equal bottoms.
You do like your equals.
Usually we have to come back and either sweep it or you know close their stop losses. There has to be stop losses down here.
I feel like if it comes back, it's gonna punch through it though.
That would make sense.
Maybe
But
that was the move.
let's see. Delta is showing me we're at 5%, so we're basically even buyers and sellers.
Yeah.
So there's no clear direction.
Oh.
So I haven't getting anything because yeah.
Yeah, John. Yeah.
You get in?
No. I just keep looking at my. The DK trade. No, ignore it. I'm ignoring the DK trade. It's not there.
He's not there. If it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down.
You're right, John. Why? I don't know. I see dollars and I'm like, take profit.
You want to take profit, but I think that's also another thing mentally. Is like you see the dollar sign and you're like, if I don't take this, then I have the possibility to lose it, and that's the whole thing is like you trying to make money, so seeing it disappear,
Hmm.
it's devastating.
Right. Especially when you're like yesterday when I was up $1,000 and I was like, yay. But then it just all went away. And I'm like,
So
oh,
now I don't have $1,000. Nice.
right. So even though you didn't take profit, it's almost like you did lose that money because it was right there in your grasp. And you said, nah, I want more. And then it's like, nope, you don't get more. That was what you were offered and you didn't take it. So, you
Yeah,
know,
it's all like you giving or even yeah, and if you don't take it, then you basically throw away money.
right.
But if you have some kind of something that's oh this gonna actually give me more, then why not stick around, stay around, see what it can offer.
Right. Because at the end of the day, right, if you stay like if you don't hold the trades, like think about most traders, right? They
Yep.
want to just make some a quick buck and get in and get out, right? But like if you're thinking of trading like long term, like you want to do this for a living, like I want to do this for a living, I can't afford to. I don't want to get on the charts every single day, look for a quick buck. Like that's not sustainable, like
Yeah,
mentally. Um,
mentally, physically,
it's
that's
just
why our firms are there. They want to
right.
cook, make it hard on people.
Exactly. So
Cause
it's like I want to be the type of trader that can I have my setups, I know what I'm looking for, and then if I get that, okay, I get in and then I stay in for as long as the move goes and I don't stress out about it because I'm like, yeah, okay. But I think when you're still in the rat race of life, you kind of
mm,
you kind of
you're
just want
trying
to
to
take it.
escape.
Right.
Exactly, you want to get that money as soon as possible.
Right.
You know,
So it's like any amount is better than
it's a good
nothing.
amount. Yeah,
Right.
that's how you stay poor. Yep, we
Mm-hmm.
pushed through it.
Forced right through. What I tell you? What I tell you?
Imagine if I would have known.
Oh, yes, John. Were
But
you in
I
two
was so.
contracts?
I was in two contracts.
John, that was the perfect entry. You were at the top something. Like
The peak, the high, the top. There
that's the
was no
thing.
pullback.
There was nothing. Like you could have oh gosh.
Mm.
Isn't it crazy like when you could have held, you don't, and then you're
You
like,
know,
wow,
and when you, yeah, and then when you shouldn't, then you,
you
yeah.
do, and it's just
Yep. And
that's
there's
every
really
time.
no way to win.
Right?
Wow, that is crazy. Mm-mm.
It's okay. It's okay.
For now, they'll know me. They'll know who I am. Who I am. Sooner or later.
John, how's
Oh
our
my
live
gosh.
stream doing?
You're live streaming?
Yeah, is it ever still? I mean,
It's,
there's nobody
yeah,
there, but like,
yeah. I feel like you have to have a set limit of time that you want to do it. And you won't be. I feel. I, wait, when does your work start?
oh, it starts at in like maybe 4, 5 hours,
So
four
when
and
do
a
you
half.
sleep?
I don't, John.
Okay, that's not.
Uh,
Wow.
oh, did I get taken out of the trade? I think I did.
For Nika?
Yeah, it looks like I did.
Oh man.
It's all good. Wait, did I cancel my limit order I put down there? Let me go check. Oh, I can't see nothing. But yeah, it looks like I did get taken out. Ba-da-ba-ba. Let me go check because I am.
There's so many sellers. It's crazy.
Okay. I don't like that I have to. Why can't I just look at multiple charts? Yep, came all the way back. Yep, it just bounced right off of there. Just like you said, John. Oh, my limit order is still there. Oh no. That's funny.
No, because that's what I used to see. Is like I would always try to buy, and then I get stopped at the stupid like wherever the trend line was, and I was like, why am I not being able to just keep rejecting and rejecting? And I was like, why don't I just buy or sell off of this? Instead of trying to fight it. If it's
Right.
gonna go through it, it's gonna go through it. But if it's gonna
Mm-hmm.
reject it every time, why don't I just go with it until it stops doing it? and
Yeah.
then just buy with it. So I basically my whole strategy is just learning from my mistakes of fighting the market. So now whenever there's a trend line, I'll buy whichever side keeps getting retested, or buy or sell whichever side keeps getting retested.
Hmm.
Like for the Nikkei, instead of buying like you were doing, even though I had that, I might have bought into it and then sold off of it
Oh,
until it eventually broke out. Then I would buy.
John, why didn't you tell me?
Well, you trade Nikkei. I don't know how Nikkei works because I don't know. Like it jumps over and stuff. But like if the Nikkei was like you were gold or something, that's how I would trade it.
Oh, hey, how come I can't see? I'm trying to see how much I lost on the trade, and I don't know.
Mm,
Oh,
shouldn't be too much.
oh no, I made 50. Looks like did I make $50?
Did you put your stops to break? Or you could have put your stops to break even because there's a button on top that literally be quick break even above your whole trade to break even.
No, but they told me this job.
I didn't know either. I just saw it one time and I just clicked it and I was like, oh, you can put your stops to break even. We're still not pushing out of this zone
Oh.
on gold. We just stuck here and now we're buying.
Kinda wanna get back in Nikkei. Not gonna lie. Not.
Okay. Let's think about this though. What is your reason for getting back in?
I want my money. I'm just kidding.
Let's
Because
think of something a little better.
no, so I don't know. We came back to the bottom again. Um, so my limit. I wonder if I should get rid of my limit order because I still want. I'm still in a buy. I want to buy off of this level down here.
So maybe you should buy off the bottom level like you've been doing. But then once you get to that trend line zone,
Mm.
see if it respects. If it doesn't, I feel like that's the only because if it doesn't respect it, that means you're finally gonna get that breakout. It's gonna give it the momentum to continue higher. But if
Right.
you do, then was this a sweep?
What got sweet?
Is
The
this a sweep of the low for gold?
gold sweet. Let me check.
I am going to be so mad.
I think it got it. Where?
This looks like a sweep.
Oh, John, if you look a little further back, you can kind of see we're
Yeah,
still.
that's what I'm saying. Is that double bottom?
Mm-hmm.
And then it looks like price swept that but I don't know.
John, we haven't been paying to the NQ, John.
Don't give a freak about the NQ. NQ is gonna screw itself right now.
Ah.
I'm so pissed right. No, because I was in that. I was so ooh. Oh, hold up, buddy. Hold up, NQ. What are we?
John
What are we on today?
getting sucked back into the light.
What are we on today? NQ. Looks like we want to die.
Oh,
Now,
we did it, John. It dropped. It dropped.
they did it.
I mean, like
What?
you were looking to sell, right? On
Yeah.
the NQ.
Yeah.
Oof.
I've been looking this up for a long time on the NQ. I'm not gonna lie. From all the way up at the top, I wanted to sell. I got chopped up, and so I started to buy, and then that's how I lost so much. And then I was like, no. And guess what happened? We sold down to the freaking I can't. I'm going back to gold. Gold is clutching up right now, big time.
Yeah, I'm seeing some. I'm seeing some missed entries on the NQ for sure.
We just got a gold oversold big gold.
Oversold on good.
Why did I not see this before?
I didn't know. I didn't know.
Okay, so that oh my god!
What's happening? What happened?
Gold. So we got the oversold, and then we swept it, and then now we're pumping back up.
Wow.
Is this just how gold trades?
Yeah, I think with gold, like you have to get in on like a top.
On like a top or a bottom. It's
Right.
literally that simple because it doesn't
Because where you got in was perfect. You just didn't hold it. So like now it's like you're looking for, I don't know, almost to like make up for not holding that trade, and then you end up trading even more.
You're right.
So, because for you, that was, you saw it, you were like, okay, this is obvious, we're gonna go down, and then it did. But now it's like, what?
Now it's
We're
like,
just gonna look at
what?
what are we gonna do, and this you don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my little trend line thing here because it looks like we've rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times off this trend line, and some we haven't even gotten up to it, honestly. So I would, in order to enter for gold, for like a buy or something, I need to see us break out of this trend line going down. I'd show you, but I'm not on page.
John.
My bad. Wait, so
Oh yeah, but it's been 2.5 hours, so maybe I should cut it.
That's crazy.
But no, I don't know, John. Going live is fun. It's like,
I mean, honestly, it is. It's just like I feel like it's not as fun if there's nobody on there, you know?
yeah,
If you have somebody else to talk to, it's, it makes it a little bit funner.
yeah. Because last night when I was on, I was just like, why am I here?
Talking to myself.
But yeah. It's good. Oh, John, and Top Step, I made friends, John.
Stuff?
Yeah, on their Discord.
I hate Top Step.
Hey.
So they're gonna join my Discord, right?
No, they added me to one of their like a Texas like a trading Discord.
So basically weak. Okay.
No,
anyways.
but John,
so weak. Anyway.
But
okay, so it's saying it's over. I want us to go back in time and see if we respect. Like, how good do we respect these overbought over? Pretty well. Really well. Really well. These overbought, oversold signals look like they get respected pretty well off the first time at least.
Yeah. I feel like
the second time.
I almost feel like I wanna do some. Well, I'll be traveling this weekend, but do some back testing or something, because I don't know. It's just,
definitely need to do some back testing on like how well these zones are respected, like Fibonacci too. And it looks like, okay, so it's touching that trend line I'm talking about. We've tapped it twice. If we break out, then I would wait for a pullback and then good for.
If we are selling though, like John, if we are gonna keep selling, this could be a pullback, because I drew out Fibonacci for sells, so this could be
let me do that.
A pullback to sell as well.
Yeah, let me look at the food. We broke out, but let me look at sell Fibonacci.
Nigga, what are you doing to me? Come on. Ugh. Why didn't I get back in?
We didn't break it. Wait. No, we didn't. We didn't break it.
Oh, wow. Okay.
No. We hit the trend line and then we rejected. See, that's what I'm saying. Is that like that's why I would just sell off of these until it finally goes through it. Because if I would have sold off of it, but that's on the Nikkei.
Yeah, I think just because, I don't know. I'm at conflict with myself.
I'm at conflict with myself. I need to figure it out. This is not okay.
Because it's like, there was a time like last week when I had a limit order, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna leave it, and then I canceled it, and then it touched it and it just went off, and I was like, wow, why didn't I leave it? So now it's like, like when you second guess yourself. So now I'm second guessing myself, or second guessing. I'm like, I don't know. John, you should be in bed. It's like 1, almost 2 in the morning there.
Anyways, well, let's think about this. I can wake up whenever I want. So when I go to bed, I can wake up anytime.
Oh,
literally today, I woke up at like 10, and I went to Walmart when we went out, and then I came back, and then it was like 3 o'clock. I was like, "Oh, there's no way I was gone." And then there was this dude at Winco, and he was like, hey, Mister, what do you, what classes are you taking? I was like, I'm not in school right now. And he was like, oh, well, I have an opportunity for you. You want to meet at this coffee place?
What?
It's a great opportunity, Mister. And I was like,
Mister?
yeah, people, you should grow. Like, oh, okay, I'll listen. Yeah, for sure, guy.
Oh,
I got you. And I'm not going to show up.
oh. Yeah.
Does that mean yes? But yeah. Wait, you're showing your YouTube channel, like you
My
like
you?
what's being broadcasted your YouTube, like you looking at
What?
your YouTube.
No, no.
Oh, never mind. We bounced back in.
Oh. Hey, it
No,
says.
but I
What?
think there is something on YouTube where you can like get people to like
Join
use
your
your
live streams?
or like advertise it better or something. I don't know. Because there's Facebook advertising. I'm pretty sure there's YouTube advertising. I think you just have to pay for the subscription or pay something else.
Yeah.
But
I feel like if I'm consistent enough,
yeah, you should just do it every day. Eventually, people will start popping. Because, like I was telling you before, that one dude,
Mhm.
I don't remember what I
Oh,
don't even follow him.
Joshua, Josh
Yeah,
something.
Joshua, what's his name?
Yeah.
I haven't been on his in a minute, but um, yeah, I just he's got like 12 people or 12, 13.
That consistently log in.
Yeah, I used to be one of them, but yeah, I remember started seeing him at like one or two. So yeah, it's just being consistent.
Oh, yeah. But hopefully, like, I don't like waking up at midnight and not sleeping, but
Yeah,
I don't know. It's exciting. Like, I wake up and I'm like, yay, I get to trade.
that's
Uh,
good. No, but what is forming at least in this downtrend is is a bullish flag. If I'm correct.
how do you do the flags? I'm not a flag trader.
Okay, so if we're selling down in a downtrend, right? If
Mhm,
we're making lower or whatever, high, low, whatever,
mhm,
right? It's gonna create these like tops, right? These
mhm.
hit points, these top points,
Yeah.
and it is gonna be at an angle. So whichever angle we're forming is gonna tell you what type of flag it is. So if it's like a down angle,
Hmm. That's a
then there's going to be
bear
different levels or layers that are liquidity above it, and that's going to be a bullish flag because those are going to be the ones that we're going to go chase. But if it's the opposite way and we're going up in an up angle, then that's going to be there's going to be the downside liquidity. Then we're going to go run and try to chase that. So that's going to be um a bear flag.
Ah, goodness.
But yeah, you just basically like draw the line where the trend line is,
Hmm.
and wherever we keep rejecting, it'll eventually create like a flag appearance, and then you'll be able to kind of see, oh, once it breaks out of here, we're gonna buy. Like at this level, there's really two options, right? We break out and we push up all the way back up to this high, which would be pretty awesome, or we just pull all the way through and there's a lot of downside, but just say that.
Yeah.
Down to
Hmm.
at least a 262.
2662.
Yeah, 262. That's where another zone is.
Yeah. I'm just looking at this like, I need to go through and see, what time frame is better for my strategy, because Because on the 3 minute, I'm seeing it like, okay, you should have sold. But on the 1 minute, I don't know.
Yeah,
It's more
so
confusing.
just look on the 2 minute, because the 2 minute is basically the middle ground, and like not being able to use that before was devastating. Why did we buy back up?
Hmm.
This is really telling me that the buyers want to hold the price up here. Okay, so we're getting into a critical zone where we have to do one or the other. So if we pop out of here, we're gonna continue. Okay, hold up. This is make it or break it time.
Make it or break it. Ooh. Oh, man. Stupid Nikkei. I'm done with you. I quit. I quit. I'm gonna cancel my limit. I'm doing it, John. I canceled.
Cancel.
I canceled my limit order. I'm
So
gonna
you're not
regret
going.
that. Yeah, no, I'm gonna stay away for now.
Okay, I'm gonna get in for. I want to see it go up a little bit more. Why are we holding up at this zone so hard?
John, should I cancel my live stream? It's been going on for like
Oh, yeah,
almost 3
I think so. It's been 2.5 hours because I'm looking at when you called. It was 2.5 hours ago.
Yeah, and I started it before, so
That's
yeah,
crazy.
it's been about almost 3 hours. Live streaming so fun, John.
I guess.
Hey.
I I mean, I like playing video games, but I'm just not
Oh
good at
yeah,
it.
John, you
So.
should join my Twitch stream.
Oh, wait, you have Twitch?
Yeah, John, I'm pretty cool like that.
Wait, what? I have Twitch too.
You do?
Oh my God, I told you!
What? Wow.
Don't get shot down
Hey.
like a missile.
Yeah, I miss it. Yeah.
No.
Ah,
Oh,
John.
oh.
John, I
I
bet you.
told you.
Where's your
There's only.
calculator?
I told you there's only two freaking
Things I can do.
places we could have gone.
John.
Oh, that's crazy.
John, I'm a measure from where you entered. Okay.
That is crazy.
I'm gonna go down to the very bottom. Ooh.
Why did okay? So please explain to me why I didn't hold that trade. We broke past this even this. We had created a new low.
John, what? You could have held this. That's 180 ticks down that it went.
With two contracts, each contract being worth how much?
Let me just punch at the numbers, John. 1 second. Okay, John was saying $20 per tick, and it went
200 two contracts, so 40.
180.
Is 40 ticks per 40 times.
No, John, it's 20.
Yeah, I know, but I had two contracts.
Yeah, that's 20. That's $10 per tick.
Oh, okay.
So you would have been up $3,600, John.
Oh, man, yeah.
3,600. Ah,
600.
John.
That would have been my payout. That would have been my payout.
Mm,
The
you
choices we
know,
make. Let's talk about it. Choices we make are really, they can make it or break it.
yes, John.
It's sad.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's okay.
No, because why? What was I doing? What?
Well, I think you did because you did do good. So like you went down to the level that it was good. Like if it did retrace from a buy, but
Yeah.
but if you had two contracts, right, you could have said, okay, I'm gonna leave one in case we continue selling.
I did that, and
Oh, you did?
it hit that one too. Yes.
Oh, John.
And it went and hit that one too. Cause no, I put a take profit for that, and I got that too.
John.
Yes.
You were playing. I think you were playing safe because you wanted
I
to
was
make back
because
your
I wanted
stuff.
to exactly, so I couldn't. Because now, if I had that, I would be able to hold it because I have this. I have what I lost back, but
Mhm.
now it's like
You had so much more.
there's so much more to go. Now we
Uh,
broke out.
Uh,
That doesn't
John,
even make sense though, because
was there what
the
happened that we did
zigzag,
that?
the zigzag isn't even. Oh, okay, never mind. I was gonna say our zigzag thing
Mm-hmm.
that I have didn't even go off, but it did.
Oh.
Oh, well, we had 7,000 sellers, and
Yeah.
we have 1,000 buyers on the 5 minute.
Where
On the
that
1
could
minute, we have 7,000
on the 3
sellers.
minute we have
Oh, and
we got nothing. Oh, we got 7,000. 100%, 109% selling. How was that even possible?
it means there's a lot more selling.
A ton. Everybody just
The golden
sold.
zone is back up at the high.
You know what I kick myself over is that I'm supposed to be selling off, like buying and selling off of the 200, and I should have been selling because we were still in the sell, and I didn't. You know,
Yeah.
it's okay. Sometimes I feel like sometimes the more you analyze things and with this, and you start throwing in,
Then you start throwing in stuff that doesn't even make sense. Yep.
and then everything you want all these confirmations, and then the confirmations start contradicting each other because it's like, oh, like I don't know. Oh,
Yeah, because it's like, oh, if I should have done the buy and the no, the sell, and this will buy, this will sell, this will back and forth and back and forth. Yeah, everything at gold is selling, U.S. oil is selling, silver is selling. Because I'm using my watch list. That's what I do now.
Oh, I don't have a watch list.
Yeah, it's on TradingView. You just have the TradingView app.
Oh.
So I can watch trades on there.
That's
I don't have to
nice.
sit at the computer.
Oh, man. Well, you know what?
You win some, you lose more. Why is it saying? No. Whoa, hold up. Yeah, everything's selling. NQ gold.
Oh, the NQ, John. Maybe you could get it on.
Nope, not doing it. I'm not losing my money to the NQ.
Not the
NQ can go screw itself.
Uh.
I cannot. No, like today made me so mad.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot.
Why? What happened? Oh, just.
Yeah, just the whole deal. Like it was just too much.
I'm seeing a potential sell on the NQ, John.
No, I could care less right now. I need at least a few weeks off of it.
John, you're not going to trade the NQ anymore. But it's your friend, John.
No, it's because whenever I do, because I was cruising, I was chilling, and then all of a sudden,
Yeah, John, what happened?
I don't know. The market started dropping. Whenever NQ starts dropping, I get screwed up.
You get got. Maybe that's when you should have a different strategy to trade chop.
I thought I had a strategy because I made like 500, then I lost 700, then I made 500, and then it just didn't. The winning wasn't overpowering the losses, and so then I was just like, okay. And I was having to get into bigger contract sizes in order to get back my losses, and that just puts more risk on the table to lose more. And it's just like, So I was just like, no, let me just. Why? You make a good decision and then you just don't stick with the decision. Now your count would have been at least 53,000.
Yeah, I think.
I think my aggressive nerves have been shot.
Yeah, John, you used to be like, I'm holding it all the way to the bank, and I'd be like, what?
And now I can't even hold it to the bank. This was the perfect chance to hold it to the bank.
Yeah, it kind of was, like literally perfection, but you got the perfect entry too. Like I'm kind of jealous.
Like insane, I mean, we were same thing. It was just like you gave up, and I kept
Yeah,
pushing
I
them to
kind of
pull it on.
I kind of flipped my attention to the Nikkei, and then yeah,
And I was just like, yeah, yeah.
I think I was a buy bias because I was like, we've been selling for so long, but I gotta kind of get out of that mindset of, because
See, what helps me is just seeing all of this overbought, oversold up
Mhm.
here, and like the overbought signal is just telling me sell,
it's
sell,
telling you
sell.
so.
And then we got another one to form, and then we swept. And I've also learned this. I know I don't like. I hate ICT, whatever, yada yada yada.
Oh, not ICT here.
It's not, but no, it's this. It's like a certain thing that forms before we're about to like reverse,
Mm-hmm.
and I was seeing that too. So
Um,
so there's gonna be break structure, right, which we had, and then it's gonna come back down, and it's gonna create I think it's called like a change of character, whatever. I think we talked about this, and they did that too. And once you get that confirmation, that we pulled back, and then that's when you get into a short. It'll create another um, place where you can enter. Like usually, with like ICT trader people who enter off their value apps.
yeah, fair. Do you think fair value gaps would be helpful with gold? Like,
Probably on a higher time frame. Definitely on a higher time frame, but yeah, if you're gonna do anything, why is gold trading like oh my beautiful trading?
let's go down one.
No, like I actually might
Cry?
switch over to
Oh, what? Well,
cry. No, not cry. I don't care that not in the trading anymore. I'm just this is insane.
yeah, that's, ugh, gosh.
And then on the 15-minute, it looks like we have another overbought oversold range down here. So
For bottom
I don't want to
gold.
see if we come and try to target it
Yes. Yeah,
and
maybe
bounce off it.
can I put two? I need a bigger monitor because I'm on my little laptop, so like
Oh yeah,
everything's so small.
that's sucks.
And if I could have
Wait,
like a side by side of the 3 minute, 1 minute,
wait, you can. You just have to change your chart.
yeah, but then it just makes everything so tiny. Like it's so small.
Oh, yeah, why don't I do that?
I mean, it's
I'm so down. I can literally. I keep switching back and forth. I could literally just a 1 minute.
John. Should I cut the live stream? It's been going on for super long and super long.
Yeah, actually, yes. And also, I feel like I don't know. You have to. You need to build like a call to action, like for people to come to the live stream.
I need to build what? Like a
Like a call to action for people to come to the live stream.
oh, how do I
Like if
do
you
that?
give us your shorts, you can make those like little ads.
Oh, like when I say like in my shorts, like, ooh, join my live stream at etc.
Yeah, I'm gonna be showing that because then they'll get people to see that. And
Ah, John, you're smart. This is
I'm
why
not
you're
smart.
supposed to be the famous
Well,
one.
yes, famous is crazy. I just know how
Patrick famous, John. You're supposed to beat Patrick.
Patrick's weak. I don't like him.
Uh,
Actually, you know what? I can't hate. I can't hate.
yes, you can.
He's up. He's up. And I'm down. So, can't hate.
John, it's okay.
Uh,
You'll be upset.
I really want to see gold give me some more money. So, let's get to it.
Yeah,
Come on, gold.
I'm gonna sign out this live stream. Thanks to everybody for watching. No. I mean, wait, are you gonna go live?
Yeah, but nobody will watch. watch it.
More people didn't
What?
watch my live stream.
I guarantee you no one will. But let's do it. Why not?
Okay,
You
okay.
know,
All right, I'm
I'm
signing
gonna
out.
do it on my